Aprilia SX 50, 2006 to 2018, review. Fantastic fun 50 cubic centimeters Supermoto. The Aprilia SX 50 is just as fun as its sportier sibling, the RS 50, but is easier to use and much more comfortable, especially for taller riders. The SX 50 is an ideal first partner if you want to pass your full UK motorbike test and like riding off the beaten track. You can ride it on a provisional driving license, providing you've done a CBT, meaning it's among the cheapest ways into two-wheeled fun. This version of the Aprilia SX 50 went off sale in 2018 and was replaced by a new Euro 4 compliant version. It remained a two-stroke, however. Ride quality and brakes. The chassis can handle way more than the 50 cubic centimeters lump will ever be able to throw at it, and as such it's great fun keeping the momentum up in corners. The suspension may be non-adjustable, but it copes fine with hard cornering and braking. Engine. This single-cylinder two-stroke engine isn't the world's most powerful. No amount of throttle or clutch slip will ever get the Aprilia off the line quickly. From then on up, however, it's a gas. Gather a bit of momentum and things get much better. Despite the single-figure power output, the light, well-spaced gearbox helps keep the tacho needle firmly in the top half of the rev counter. Expect to see 60 miles per hour in top gear with the right conditions. Reliability and build quality. If you buy a second-hand SX50, then chances are it spent most of its life being ridden hard by a 16-year-old who only put cheap oil in it. Check for signs it's not been looked after. Value versus rivals. At £2,399, the SX was cheaper than the RS50 but offers the same performance. If you really want to look after it, you'll have to use top-quality two-stroke oil, which isn't cheap. In 2019 you could still buy the Euro 4 SX50, priced at £3,499. It was available in red and green color schemes. We've yet to review this model. Equipment. As you'd expect on a Supermoto, equipment is basic, with only the bare essential clock functions and non-adjustable suspension. But you don't really need anything else. Specs. Engine size 50 cubic centimeters. Engine type 2-stroke, liquid-cooled single-cylinder. Dell'Orto 14mm carburettor. Frame type aluminium twin beam. Fuel capacity 7 liters. Seat height 830 mm. Bike weight 125 kilograms. Front suspension USD forks. Rear suspension single shock. Front brake 300 mm disc with twin-piston caliper. Rear brake 180 mm rear disc with twin-piston caliper. Front tire size 110/80/17. Rear tire size 130/70/17. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption. Annual road tax £22. Annual service cost. New price. Used price. Insurance group 2 of 17. How much to insure? Warranty term. Top speed and performance. Max power 8 brake horsepower. Max torque 4.7 ft-lb. Top speed 60 miles per hour. A quarter mile acceleration. Tank range